To publish a new post on your WordPress website, you'll first want to log into your account. Please keep in mind that wordpress.com and wordpress.org are two separate websites. After logging into your account, you'll land on the Followed Sites window pane. We're just going to go ahead and skip this portion and click on the left-hand top corner that says My Sites. This will bring us to an admin panel of the particular website. Today, we're working on bustleandgrow.com. From this portion of the website, you'll be able to see several options. You can click on the top right-hand corner that says Write. This little number next to it shows how many drafts there are waiting. Or you can click over here on the Add button next to blog posts. Keep in mind that blog posts and site pages are two different things. Normally, only the administrator would be adding or editing site pages. We're going to go ahead and click on Add. So here is where the title will go. And then this is where the content goes. The title will normally appear in the portion of the widget that has a preview of the blog post. So if the front page of your website shows a list of your most recent posts, it will normally show the title and then a brief few lines of the actual post itself. To have one of your posts be in the featured section of your website, you'll click on the right-hand side that says Categories and Tags. This will bring a little drop-down box. We're going to add the Featured tag. Click on comma, and there we go. If you'd like to add an image to your post, go ahead and click on Featured Image, Set Featured Image, and then simply choose a picture from your media library. The featured image will always stay at the top of the page. You do have an option to add other images within the body of the text. Simply place your cursor right about where you would like to have the picture, and on the top, underneath the title, it says Insert Content, and there you go. You can always put another image in there. Insert. If you click on the image itself, a little box will pop up. This will help you align it to the center, put it to the left with text wrapping around it. To the right, or put it to the left without text around it. You can also caption your photo, decrease or increase the size, or you can delete the photo. We're going to go ahead and center the photo. Now just remember that what you see right here and the layout is going to be different than the way it will actually look on the website. You can see what your post will look like by clicking the Preview button on the top right-hand side. This little box right here gives you an option. This option lets you see how the website will look to the user based on the device they're viewing the website. We're going to go ahead and click on Desktop. So now we can see a preview of what our post will look like. Because this post is what we want it to look like, we'll click on the X. Then on the right-hand side over here, we'll minimize that. At this top, we're going to go to Post Settings. Status. So you can choose to either publish immediately, or you can choose a date to have the post publish automatically. We're going to choose September 22nd. You can also set the time you want it to publish. You can decide if you'd like it to be a public post, a private post, or password protected. Now we're going to go ahead and click on Schedule. Double check when you'd like it to be scheduled and the privacy settings, and then click Schedule one more time. Now we have successfully scheduled the post to go on September 22nd. So we'd like to get back to our admin panel. click on this top left-hand arrow. Oops. Okay. So if you'd like to look at the posts that you have scheduled, that you have posted, or that somebody else has posted on your website, you'll just hover over the words blog posts and click. This list right here has two different views. One, the view of just your posts, or the view of everyone's posts. And this is everybody who has access to your particular website. So here we can see our posts that have already published. And you can edit, view, see the stats, or share the individual posts very easily. We're going to go ahead and take a look at scheduled. And there we have it. That's where our test post lands. In 2 days, this post will be published. Anybody who subscribes to your website will get an email that says, "Here's a new post by Bustle and Grow." Stats can be very helpful because not only does it tell you who looked at it, it tells you when they look at it. And normally they'll tell you who sent them there. So, did Facebook send them to this blog post? Did a Google search send them to the blog post, etc.? That's something else that we can see under stats, but that's for another video. I hope that this helps, and if not, please feel free to give us a call. The number is right here, 370-5038. Happy posting!